morning. It's Thursday morning. Time to make some money. I don't really have a name for Thursdays. Like Turbo Thursdays. There we go. Turbo Money Thursdays. That makes sense, right? Turbo Money Thursdays. Just taking a look at what's hot this morning. Give you guys to get your butts in here. HMNY moving around this morning. NXTD moving around this morning. Looking. ET. What is going on there? Okay, ET. That's interesting. Just gapping up out of nowhere, 9%. Previous resistance in the 1770 area. Okay. Say the 1750 area resistance there on ET. Not a lot of volume, only 8,000 shares traded, so nothing too crazy right now, but it's still gapping up there. SGMO gapping up this morning, up 9%. Pre-market highs there at the 2460 area. Looking on the daily chart where that is looking at. Ooh. SGMO, some serious resistance back there in 2014 at that 2460 area, but you can see pretty much all of 2017 SGMO just making a move higher. Really a solid overall trend here, but this is sort of looking like it's getting to the top of that kind of channel here. Look at this thing in this channel, pretty much getting to the top there. Okay, so on the 60-minute, you can see SGMO up to that 2460 area, looking like it's having some trouble there already. 2460 area. So I'm going to be watching that 2460 area here on SGMO. I like to see if SGMO can get stuck there at the 2460 area for a possible pullback. Oh yeah, Roku got crushed last night. ROKU from the $54 area down there to almost below $40. Pretty crazy. SBGL down 9%, down there to the $4 area. A little bit of a gap down from the 450 area down there to $4 right now. Looking at the daily chart where that previous support is. There's some previous support there at the $4 area. So we'll see if that $4 area can hold. AGEN. 20 shares trading. Oh, baby Jesus. I got punked. Punked me real good there, didn't you? WKHS. WKH. Oh my God, that's my H. I'm like, for some reason, H does not like to work on my keyboard. I don't know why. So WKHS Workhorse up there this morning to 397. And kind of looking here where that support is on the daily chart. So it's above that resistance there. Pulling back right now. 66,000 shares traded. This is a 5-minute candle. Looking at the daily chart, like I said, that 380 area resistance. Obviously, we're going to have that $4 area as well. Just that whole dollar there, $4 resistance. So no shares is short on WKH, doesn't look like. No shares is short on WKHS. So we'll see. People talking about HMNY. HMNY, yes, talked about this one already. Gapping up there from the 450 area up there to that 512. Got a lot of just resistance in this area, that $5, $10, $5 area. If you can see previously, kind of getting stuck there. And then that kind of was that area here, 510 area, key area to watch there on HMNY. Got to get above that 510 area and hold. It got there to 516, but now it's pulling back down. See if this volume starts increasing here on WKHS. Got 100,000 shares traded so far. LMFA. Oh, man. Do me one big favor. Do me one big favor. If these, don't call out a stock unless it has at least 100,000 shares traded. Just, it makes it a lot easier if you don't call out stocks that have no volume traded. And just make my life so much easier. Make it easier for everybody, really. Pandora, big company, big stock. I'm not sure I would trade this one. It's going to be really, really crowded. You can see, look at the level 2 there. All those buyers sitting there at the 510 area. Pandora is normally not, doesn't look like it moves that much. So it's just kind of been up, down, all around here in this $4 to $5 area. So not in love with it there. CNC. Let me take out CNC. 1.2 million shares traded. What? Gosh. Dead to me. Ripple. Not only is your name my arch enemy, but now you've broken the cardinal rule and called out a stock with no volume. You're dead to me. You're dead. Dead to me. SGMO. I'm watching this SGMO closely here. I want to see if this can break below, if this can break above that 2460 area. If it can't break above that 2460 area, I'm thinking that SGMO might start pulling back here. Just looking at the daily chart, like I said, kind of these lines are all over the place. But let's give you an idea, kind of the channel here, of where this channel is. So we're at the top of this kind of top of this channel, up there to the 2460 area, which was that previous resistance back there in 2014. So I'm thinking that SGMO might have just a technical pullback here. Technical pullback, just stack down to the bottom of that channel if it can't break above that 2460 area here at open. So I'm going to be keeping an eye there, like I said, on that SGMO. I'm a long time. WKHS pulling back down there, 340, below that 350 area now. This one might be done for the day. We'll see. MIC. short position here. Let's check out MIC. MIC just dropping here. Just going down, down, down. Looking at the daily chart, where MIC might have some support at next. Got to go way, 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 way back here. Not really showing the next support until the $40 area. So MIC down 27% right now. Down there to 45.90. Just been bleeding all morning here. Interesting. Interesting to say the least. Very interesting. Nothing looking insane right now. Got ADXS also down this morning. ADXS down there, 22%. Down 22%. No shares to trade. It gapped down last night. It's down there below $2 now. Let's check out SBGL. SBGL bouncing off that $4 support area. We'll see if this thing can find some support there. The $4 area. Maybe get a nice little, might get a little bounce back here. See the gap in the chart here. We'll see what the kind of overall consensus is once the market opens. But yeah, overall, nothing looking too crazy right now. CCLP gapping up here. Not a lot of volume on this thing right now, so I'm not in love with it. We'll see maybe if that volume can come in there later on. But right now, you can see 750 area there. $750, $740 area holding down right now. CCLP, it's down 11%. Needs some more volume on it. We'll see what happens. Some more volume there. Oh gosh, look at fate. Look at fate. James broken. James broke the rules. James broke all the rules today. Broke all the rules. SGMO getting stuck there at the 2450 area this morning. 2460. Got the VWAP down there at the $24 area. So a couple things moving around. Nothing looking too hot right now. Nothing looking too crazy. Guys, everyone keeps calling out ROKU. ROKU, yes. ROKU is down. What does that mean for us? I don't know. I don't know. Would I trade ROKU at this point? Not really. I just probably wouldn't trade it today. Check. Chesapeake down there, 288 area. Well, up there. It's gapping up there, 8%, up there to the 288 area. This is a crazy stock. This thing's made some major moves in the past, but those oil days just have not been the same. We haven't had a good, crazy oil runner in a long time. You can also see this is a very crowded stock. You have a lot of pressure both on the sell side and on the buy side. So it's, you know, a hard one to read. And you can look at that 286 area, massive sellers just sitting there, 286 there on check. And it's not really something that really moves that much. You can see these daily candles from $4 to $4.26. You know, really just not doing much. I mean, these candles are like 10-cent moves. These are daily candles. So we can't really make money on 10-cent moves. 20-cent moves just aren't that good. WKHS down there below 345 now. 333. Not holding that 350 area, so not looking too hot. My stock SGMO pulling back now. Oh man. I was thinking about pulling the trigger here at the 250 area, but told myself I was gonna wait till open. So I'm gonna wait till open still here on SGMO, but we'll see what happens with SGMO at open. Died. Dead. Dead to me. Everyone is dead to me. Ugh. Shorting SGMO. Yes, that's my plan. I was hoping to short SGMO there at the 2460 area. I would like to short it there at the 2460 area. You can see why. This thing's been trending higher here, but obviously kind of been in this channel here. So $24 area, thinking we might get a bit of a pullback, maybe down to the middle of this channel or possibly lower. It really just depends on how it reacts today overall in the market. But if you look back here on the daily chart, way back, way back, 2014, SGMO got stuck there at the 2460 area. Not to say that it can't go above 2460 area, but 2460 area is that previous resistance. So it's going to have some trouble there. If it does have trouble, this might be an opportunity to go short. And that's what I'm going to be looking for. I might have already missed the boat here because look at it pulling back down there, 2430 already. So we'll see what happens here at open. So there it is. A couple stocks moving around. I'm going to go get a coffee. I didn't miss my coffee. I woke up a little late. So I'm going to go get my coffee now. And we'll see what happens. I'll talk to you guys later on. Remember that one thing. You don't have to be the first person in the party, but you don't want to be the last one to leave. So let's focus on getting to that party right in the peak of the party, making some money, and then leaving before the party's over. So I'll talk to you guys later on. And there it is. The end of the morning broadcast live stream thingamajiggy. Talk to you later.